Let's make a white chocolate peppermint mocha with peppermint syrup.
Isn't it pretty?
So this season I did purchase a ton of candy canes. I don't know what I was planning on doing with them, but I'm going to try to use them for this candy cane syrup. I unwrapped 12 candy canes and added a cup of water to a pot. All of these dissolved into the water and became a delicious and beautiful festive red syrup that I'll use for my latte. I'm not gonna lie, unwrapping candy canes was probably the most tedious part of this entire process. But it was necessary, and yes, you do need all 12 if you want that lovely minty flavor. Y'all, after I added all of my syrup to my measuring cup, I did allow for it to cool completely before I added it to my latte because y'all, I don't know why, but in my mind, because it was going in that martini glass, it needed to be it needed to be cold, but not with ice. So I also did a cold foam on my milk as well. Now for my white chocolate drizzle, I decided to go in my cabinet and see what I had. And I had these Ghirardelli white chocolate melting wafers. Y'all, they're so easy to use. You just add a few of the chips to a bowl, throw them in the microwave for probably about, I don't know, 30 seconds. Stir them up, and you've got white chocolate. So easy. Now off camera, you guys, I did go ahead and pre-crush some of those soft peppermints because those are my favorite. I keep those in the house year round. But I figured they would be so delicious if I added them inside and maybe on the rim of my peppermint mocha. And yeah, this is me struggling, absolutely struggling to get this white chocolate on the rim of this glass because I'm no bartender, y'all. I'm going to try to add these little chunks and pieces of peppermint to the edge. They are definitely falling off and they're all over my floor right now, but I did it. Now let's put a little bit of drizzle on the inside of my glass, just because, I'm extra and I actually do want to taste the white chocolate to go along with my espresso and my milk. I want it to all blend together. And voila, we have a pretty cup. I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of my peppermint syrup. I don't know why I poured that so slow into the glass. And earlier today, I did also make my espresso in my mocha coffee pot or my Italian coffee maker, whichever one you prefer. And I allowed that to cool completely as well because I told you I needed it chilled, not cold, not ice, not hot, chilled. Like room temperature, not room temperature, but a chilled white chocolate mocha with peppermint. Now this was a challenge. I definitely should have put this into another vessel to pour into my martini glass. So now the last thing for me to do is to simply add my cold foam that I made in my frother just a minute ago. So if you're having company over and you're looking to impress your Christmas Eve or Christmas Day guests, y'all, I promise you they won't be disappointed by your peppermint mocha. Try it out. Bye, y'all.